Okay, so hello guys. Let's get started with our task 3. Sign in as Entra user. On our workstation 1 again. It's first, we'll need to sign this out, okay? Select an other user, and this time we'll log in with Aaron's ID and with the password. And now the profile creation will take place, so it will take a while. And later we'll need to configure the Windows Hello thing and all. And keeping accounts secure, config- configuring the authentication method via phone and all. So we'll do that as well, setting up the pins, information and pin and all those things. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. It shouldn't take much long. Meanwhile, I'll go to our server one. On the portal as well, we can verify it, guys. Let me show you. See here, it says workstation 1 is yet to join. The compliance is not yet evaluated, which will be done eventually. It will take some time. So this thing will update in a while. And on the Entra side, let's see here. Enter joined, as you can see now. Earlier it was just Entra registered, if you remember. And MDM solution is also visible here, right? Earlier this was not present, and this is showing the device as compliant. Let's move back to our workstation 1. I think it's done now. So we are here on this page. Let's quickly set this up. Let's keep your account secure. Click on next. I want to set up a different method, or you can also do the authenticator part also. So I'll go with that. Okay, so it doesn't make any difference because I already have authenticator in my app. So I'll just quickly scan this code. This QR code. Let me. Basically, it's an authentication method. So every time you are trying to log in, this verification will take place. One moment. Okay, so this is almost done, guys. And just click on next. So the code is already added. Now I will need to verify with the number 80, which is already done. So here it was asking me to add a phone number, but I did not go with that setting. I selected the authenticator as the my verification method, so it doesn't make any difference. Now it will ask me for a pin setup, so I will quickly do that as well. Can't connect you, so there is an error. Inch. Keep for now. Okay. I There was some error, guys. I don't know why. Let's set up the pin anyway. Let me try it again. Okay. Let's go to accounts. Um, let's navigate to sign in options here, as you can see, and I should see an option to set up a pin here. So this is the pin option here. Let's click on setup. Hopefully it will work it this time. So now it's asking me for authentication because recently we did that authenticator setup. Approve. Where is it? Okay, so I've approved the code 98. Let's see. Okay, come on. So let's set up the pin now. Finally, 102938. Verify. So this is done, guys. So we have now successfully set up the workstation 1. And now let's do one more thing, verification. Device enrollment in Intune console. So for that, let's move on to our server 1 and go to the devices overview, select all devices and let me refresh it real quick. Okay, this is our Intune page, guys, and I will refresh it. So as you can see, earlier this compliant was not showing here. Now it's showing up because it is successfully added and the device is compliant now. And so this is done, and you can also see um, managed by Intune. So this is done by the Intune management, and the ownership column displays corporate. This is how we have done this lab. And note, this view lists devices that are enrolled to Intune. Remember that you configured automatic enrollment between Entra and Intune. And because of that, any device that is joined or registered to Entra is automatically enrolled into Intune. Any devices joined prior to setting up enrollment are only joined or registered to Entra but not enrolled in Intune. Okay, so let's open the Entra portal as well. Verify there as well what we can see. All devices I can see. Workstation 1. We have already verified it, guys, but again, let's see. Compliant and MDM is this. Security settings management is Microsoft Intune. So this is how we can conclude the lab results. After completing this exercise, you will have successfully joined the Windows client to Entra ID and verified that the device has automatically enrolled in Intune. Thank you so much, guys, for staying tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.